Wow, so much room. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm doing cleanup on my 7.3, getting prepped for the fuel bowl delete, the installation. Today's Friday. Parts should be in sometimes next week, hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday. I'll be posting the video hopefully by next Friday or Saturday if everything goes well, if all the parts are in. The reason I'm doing it is to have more room to work on my truck. It is crazy how much more room you have in here to get to anything, to your high pressure pump. It's just everything is, you can get your hand in there now. The only thing is, you know, the Y pipe's going to be right there, but still it's going to be so much more room. And I'm going to be doing some degreasing on it today, letting it soak and cleaning out the valley and getting it all nice and shiny. But yeah, as you could see from all the years of use, there all kinds of goodies in there. Yeah, it's really nasty as shit. But yeah, I'm gonna get this prepped, and I'm gonna get the video up ASAP. And the nice thing about it, it is gonna be a affordable kit. I understand that there's kits out there, but this is gonna be an actual affordable kit. It's not gonna be in the crazy range that I've seen on the internet, that what they're asking. But yeah, stay tuned and I'll get the video ASAP as soon as I'm done with everything. All right, thanks for watching.